Hi, I'm Lena. We are thrilled to welcome our third base to the Yarn Citizen family, Trinity Cashmere. And today I'm here with you to take a closer look at this amazing new yarn. Here are some things that you need to know about Trinity Cashmere. It's a lace-weight yarn. It's an incredibly soft blend of 49% Super Baby Alpaca, 39% Mulberry Silk, and 12% Cashmere. Each ball weighs 25 grams and has 247 yards. The alpaca is sourced from animals born and bred in the highlands of Peru. It's perfect for delicate, super soft, and comfortable accessories, as well as giving a fuzzy halo to garments when stranded together with other yarns. We created this yarn to be worked alone as one strand, or two strands held double, or to be held double with, for example, our Harmony and Unity bases, giving each of them a beautiful and fuzzy surface halo. While not upcycled, Trinity Cashmere is sourced from the same fair trade mill in Peru as our other Yarn Citizen bases. This also means that Trinity Cashmere is priced consciously too. We believe that something good for the planet shouldn't have to be bad for our wallets. And who doesn't agree with me when I say that's a win-win? Now let's take a closer look at the yarn. Trinity Cashmere is a delightful and heavenly blend of Super Baby Alpaca, Mulberry Silk, and Cashmere. All amazing natural fibers. Let me tell you a bit about them. Super Baby Alpaca, also known as Royal Alpaca, come from the softest part of the alpaca, usually around the chest of the animal, and it's considered the finest and softest fiber. In fact, baby alpaca comes from the animal's very first shearing, which produces the softest and absolutely finest fibers. Mulberry Silk is the most luxurious natural silk available. It's spun from the cocoon of the silkworm that feeds exclusively on mulberry leaves. Mulberry silk fibers are known for being the longest, strongest, and most uniform of all silk. Simply put, mulberry silk is the best. Last, but for sure not the least, the cashmere. So cashmere is a fiber obtained from cashmere goats, and it's not only the finest, softest, and warmest yarn fiber, but it's also a very durable product, which can easily last a lifetime when taken care of properly. It's literally considered to be one of the softest and most luxurious types of wool in existence. I honestly don't have words enough to describe how amazing cashmere is and how much I personally love this fiber. You just gotta feel it for yourself. Recommended gauge when knitted with one strand on needles anywhere between 3 to 8, which is any needle size from 3.25 to 5 millimeter, is 18 to 25 stitches on 4 inches. A fuzzy yarn like this can be knitted in a range of tensions depending on the fabric you want. It lends itself just as well to a lacy, loosely knitted shawl as to a beanie knit in a tighter stockinette. For crochet, I've been using hook sizes from 3.5 up to 6 millimeter, which is any hook from an E to a J hook, which gives anywhere from 12 to 18 stitches on 4 inches. Again, a wide span, all depending on the fabric you want to create. Trinity Cashmere comes in 12 somewhat neutral, soft and muted, or maybe what I would call them romantic colors. Maybe it's just the way they make me feel. However, we did put a lot of effort and research picking these colors so that there should be a great variety of the most popular colors for a yarn like this. Like I mentioned earlier, I think this yarn is perfect for so many things, both working with one strand as well as holding the yarn double on larger needles, and also holding it together with another yarn. I have so far made several hats, scarves, shawls, and a cowl. It's so amazingly soft. No problem wearing it right against my skin, which also makes me want to mention that since Trinity Cashmere is mohair free, it's making it a great alternative to those who are allergic. Many other similar yarns do include mohair, which both may shed a bit as well as being a tad itchy, which this lovely yarn gratefully doesn't. I would love to hear if you've already been stitching with Trinity Cashmere. Tell us in the comments below, and if not, I highly recommend to give it a try. I really and honestly think you will love this yarn as much as I do. Thank you for watching my Yarn Citizen product review. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss our tutorials, reviews, and much more fiber fun. Happy crafting!